Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to track your Taobao order like a pro. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Taobao, pinduoduo, or 1688 or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to track your Taobao order like a pro. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Taobao. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Taobao. Then after you open up your Taobao, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed to your profile. The next thing you need to do is to click on this truck icon right here. It means that your goods is on transit. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. The truck icon, click on that. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then you have your order tracking history from here. So from the point here, this is where the supplier issue out your goods, and then this is the tracking procedure right here. It's that simple. And you can also track from the graph right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to track your order on Taobao without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.